All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live trading session. Today is Thursday, January 30th. My name is Mo G. We have Cloud on the call today. Good morning, Cloud.
Good morning. Good morning.
All right. We were just talking off camera that we're looking at some levels. Let me just pull them up on my screen so I have them here. You know what? We got 10 minutes. I'm gonna go over this so this way everybody has it. First thing is right now on the daily fib, we are considered ranging. Okay, daily fib, we're considered ranging. If we look at the 15-minute, yes, I know it's not on the screen, so just hear what I'm saying. I'm giving you some insights here. Uh, on the 15-minute, we are by. Let me just push this one. I can show you. Push this here. Okay, I just want to show you here. Okay, here are my levels today. This is my game plan. Okay, so the way the game plan works is if we're able to stall here, which looks like we're doing, I'll be looking long. If we break, however, and then cannot get back above this, I will look short off the break of this level. Uh, I would expect price to go to at least in the 850s to 900s area. That's why you see this box here. Um, that's a nice zone that I like. Let me go over some of the indicators here so you guys can see. This red box, this one here, that's from the market structure indicator right here on the 15 minute. So think of it as support green, resistance red. Okay, so right now you can see we have a 15-minute money zone here and some resistance as per the market structure indicator here. However, at open, this can all change, so just keep that in mind. Again, if we can stick here, not break, I will be looking for longs, and I'm thinking if we do not break below this, we have a good chance to have a nice trendy long day. That's my opinion. Remember, trade your own chart, uh, and this is not financial advice. So I just wanted to show you what I'm looking at as far as the higher time frames. And then according to how I draw the fibs, we are ranging. If you want to know how I draw the fibs, you have to be part of the mentorship. Also, I want to give a let's see how many people. I'll do at 10 o'clock. I'm going to give a shout out to one. We're going to have um, a payout call out today. So at 10 o'clock, we're going to do a payout call out for one of our members. Uh, really happy for this member because I understand how this person's journey has been. So it's very, very cool that they got their payout. I think there's two people that get paid. Someone got a payout last week as well, and we're going to give them a proper shout out today. So congratulations to all those members who are getting payouts, who are passing evals, and all of you who are staying true to your process. Um, for myself, I have not gotten a payout this month. True transparency. Um, because I'm not following my process very well. I've noticed that I've been taking too many trades. So what I've done, I've on the TopStep X platform, I've limited myself to only 4 trades. Why? Because when I look at my data, when I'm in that 4 trade range, I do the best. That also makes me really focus in on that A plus setup that I'm looking for. Um, and it just took a little adjusting to get used to being on YouTube and trading at the same time. So you guys are going to see now more of how I, Cloud, and anybody else who is on these calls will actually trade. Um, because it is a little nerve-wracking when we're on here trying to, keep conversations going and trade at the same time. But you know what? Making money is more important. So we're gonna trade how we really trade. So today, what you see on my chart here, this is a very colorful chart, but don't get confused. Okay, if you go to the Discord, it is basically my setup. You see the Gabby buttons here. Got the algo candles here. TPOs on top. The volume distribution, initial volume distribution. Candle coloring is here. This is the background. Here is the strict candles. You see that they are green. Okay. Here is my favorite probability oscillator. Here you have the 5, 15, and 30-second evidence lines here. Basically, when they're all blue, price would most likely go up. If they're all green, if they're all pink, price will likely go down. Here you have the surge with exhausted, and you have the pullback. You notice how it's nicely here, surge, pullback. We have two evidence lines. Price is pushing up. That can give you an idea of how this is going to work from what you're seeing today. You also have the 4-hour forecaster in the background. Now, this is an entry for me, so excuse me while I actually take this entry. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, off of that. The only thing is we're 2 minutes to open, so I'm going to hold off and wait. So just before open, just some business to take care of. If you're new and you want access to any or all of these indicators, I'm going to put later on the link in the chat that you can go to the Discord or to the website. If you do choose to, I'm entering this now. I got my signal.
The market is looking like it wants to move right now before open. Let's see. I still don't like the range we're in though.
Let's see if I can get a 10-point TP1. Let's see if it's gonna get me there or not.
We'll open in 30 seconds, by the way.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and we're open. Let's see. We're officially open. See what price wants to do. Push down.
Once those TPO candles turn off yellow, I will look to start entering. Let's view up again. The TPO candles is still yellow, but I want to go in now. Hold on, let's see if we can get over this area right here. It's 670. Patience is going to be the virtue today. But that was a nice trade-off view. Had I taken it, that would have been like a 40-point trade real quick. I still, after yesterday, after yesterday's open, I gotta be a little patient. I don't want a 30 points loss like I had yesterday randomly. I'm looking at 638. Maybe even view up one more time. 630 is where I feel like I'm going to pull the trigger for sure. I think. Well, let's see. If I get the movement I want, I look like I will pull the trigger soon. Hey, 630. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if this. Give it a second. Give it a second.
Let's see what's happening here. Okay,
We're at the 4 right now. But we're also within a bullish money zone as well too.
background's turning red.
And so YM did reject a 1 minute money zone appears also at its previous daily close on YM. ES has also looked like it's showing some weakness. Let's look at some of the individual stocks real quick while we wait. Apple, it's a dud right now, honestly. Mm. Nasdaq, where do you want to go, buddy? Where do you want to go, buddy? Do you want to go to 560s, 570s? The TPO candles look like they clicked off here, but I still have to wait a little bit, honestly. I'm seeing a little bit more weakness. It could be a fake out, but I've seen a little bit more weakness in.
spread.
Right here at the 4 hour. Let's see what happens. I do like the longs though, right here. Okay, okay.
I'm in long.
Yeah,
It's off my
keep going,
level.
keep going, keep going, keep
TP
going,
one hit. I'm risk free.
keep going.
See if this can get 100 points.
We do have bearish money zones. Let's keep that in mind. We do have bearish money zones on the 1 minute, 15 second. We do have bearish money zones. But if we can break through them, it's going to be a lovely morning.
And right here, right where, let me just make sure I have the right number. Around 680 area, we have a 15-minute money zone there, or a bearish one. So keep that in mind. That's where we've been bouncing off of so far. See these fake outs here. That's exactly where the 15-minute money zone is. However, we've hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So let's see if we can break through finally and then break that resistance area.
I'm loving today. I'm loving today so far.
It's not surprising we see a yellow TPO here based on all the bearish money zones there.
And there's a lot of bearish statements, but overall, I think see, for me, it's like one thing I've been noticing about these yellow TPO candles. It's like I feel like it's the market really fighting with each other, and I really feel like the bulls can win this current fight right here.
I mean, here, I'll put the longer time frame on so everybody can see. All right, so you see here, like, this has been the open. See how we've been hitting against this area here, bang, bang, bang. However, what I'm noticing is this is my game plan area, and how, you know, it's coming back here. The bulls are stepping in and then trying to force this up. These are 15-minute candles, by the way, so it's significant information. So let's see if let's see if we can actually break it.
We have potential bring back on, but we are still within the bearish 1 minute money zone right here. The pullback looks like it wants to potentially come down a little bit. I mean, for me, the bearish 1 minute money zones are I respect them. I respect the hell out of them. Any 1 minute money zone, I respect the hell out of. Bullish or bearish, like. ES is very bullish right now. YM is back into that 1 minute bearish money zone that it tested at open. It looks like it wants to break above it right here.
So this was trade 1.
Nvidia is taking a dump right now, but Meta is pushing. Amazon is taking a dump as well too. Microsoft, golly. But Google is, oh man, I'm loving Google right now. Had I kept those calls, oh my god.
That one did not make it because of that huge exhausted sell candle here. Let's go to this one. Where did I go in?
about to be flat on those runners, by the way, soon. At 610, I'm gonna be flat. 610, I'm gonna be flat. We do have news at 10 o'clock, you guys. So, if you don't want to trade this, you can also wait till 10 o'clock. New 4 hour, and we have news. But we have my favorite things this afternoon. We have earnings. We have tech earnings. I'm so happy.
Okay. Alright, so that's 2 trades so far. I'll wait for the 10 o'clock to see if I can get another trade.
Always remember, when you're trading futures, you do not have to catch a trade now. Like I traded last night during Asia, and I caught over 150 points simply because we had FOMC and we had earnings yesterday. Yesterday we had Tesla, Meta, Microsoft, IBM. Today we have Apple and Intel and Visa. You do not have to catch all the trades during New York Open. Look at that, right off the 4 hour. Oh my god. Back into the Bears 1 minute money zone here. If we do get above this, all right, let me be conservative. If we can get above this 680, I'm gonna say 700. 700, we're flying. No, all gas, no brakes, flying.
Boo! Screw that guy. That's a Robert Saleh. That's a Robert Saleh saying. We got to go with the Aaron Glenn saying.
What's that?
He goes, "We're the freaking New York Jets. We're built for this shit." IVD's turning.
Go ahead.
You gotta look at the press conference. It was IVD's turning green, the candles, and the background.
Yep. I'm still in that same runners that didn't close out. Again, 610 is my close. Actually, I'm going to move my stop up a little bit. Actually, I don't want us to see us reject out this at this money zone again. It looks like we're about to flip this one in the money zone here.
Let's go.
Alright. I like it.
Let's see if we can get here. You're a buy sign. Let's go. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Keep pushing it.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Let's go. Come on, guys. Jeez. If you can't tell, I'm in long. I'm in long.
Oh, that feels good. That feels good. That feels good. Especially after, I mean, like, it just feels good after the days we had yesterday where it's like, yeah, did we catch the move? Yes. Did I make money? Yes. Did I struggle? Oh my God, I did. You know, and then I look at Tuesday where I had those two 20-point losses before I had my 300-point win. You know, then I look at Monday, it's, you know, I feel like I've been getting my teeth kicked in. Like,
making a new high here.
let's go. So remember what I said. Above 700s, we should be able to fly here. We should be able to fly. Above 700, I'm looking for 100 more points.
Yeah, me too.
Right? And call me greedy. I think we can get that, Mo.
Yeah,
like,
I mean,
if you
I
look
like.
at Mo's chart here,
Oh yes, keep going. Keep going. Yeah, right. Yeah. So far, we've got a new structure high. That's good. Keep it flowing.
I'm so happy.
Let's go. Let's see. Yeah, I'm looking for 800 too, so let's see if we can get there.
Give me 150, baby. Come on. I'm gonna take a trim at 150. I'm taking another trim. I'm gonna be left in 5 micros then. And once I get left in 5 micros, I am switching accounts. I will not be looking at this account at all whatsoever.
Okay, let's see. TPO's quick green. Thank you, Horatio, for that heads up. Let's see, stay in this and just let it fly.
We do have the weekly open at 773. I do expect us to have a rejection there. I'm not saying we crash down all the way, but after what we had happen on Sunday, we have to be cognizant of that level. You know what I mean? So just look to see some type of rejection, and also that is the super expensive box on the small setting. We're already in super expensive on the auto setting. We're actually at a weekly level right here at 742. For me, I think we should just shoot up just to 770. Honestly, like, I don't really see us that one. Okay, so on the 1 minute pullback, we do have potential exhaustion right here. Look at DC. Look at DC. DC's long too. But DC got long at 650.
Let's see. Where was that at? 680. I'm definitely stop loss up to 680.
It's always good with me and DC on the same side, man. I'm telling you, it's always a good feeling.
Okay, this is now the expected breather. Let's see if I can stay in this.
Are you looking at Admo?
No, I'm looking to ride this out. Full transparency, I'm in one mini. almost 100 points. So I'm trying to see what my threshold is that I can hold this for.
Hold on.
We do have news coming at 10, so I have to be careful. See if it can stay here. Let's see.
If we can stay above this weekly level right here at 611, 610, we should be able to reclaim a newer high. Honestly,
We got 4 minutes
I'm
left.
sorry, 7-11.
15 minutes.
Sorry, 7-11. All right. Oh.
All right, 5 second evidence lines turning back to bullish.
It's flickering now.
Let's see if it can.
The 5 second is gray. So like it went from
Yeah.
red to gray.
Oh, there we
It's
go.
green, but
Yeah.
there's no conclusion on the green yet.
Yeah, 4 minutes till the new 4 hour. And news comes out at 10, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes. Let's go. Come on, Nasdaq. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Don't fail me now, baby. Don't fail me now. Like I want my runners to be able to hit 200 points. That's the goal, honestly. That's kind of why I took a trim. I'm only at 5 micros now. I want to be able to let this run. I broke these 5 micros up. I have 2 of them at break even, and I'm not going to touch that regardless of whatever happens to the market. Then I have two micros at 650, 1 micro right under 670. I'm testing a theory out right now, breaking up these micros at certain levels. But let us come down though. This is a healthy pullback. I mean, below 670, I'm gonna start getting kind of annoyed. But hey, okay. Oh, I'm getting annoyed. Okay, I'm getting annoyed.
All right. Let's see.
Microsoft is looking like it wants to make a full recovery. If Microsoft can get back to the New York high of yesterday, oh my god, I
Wow,
think
that
that's
15-minute candle has turned to a giant wick. Holy cow.
I know, Mo.
Holy cow.
I'm getting kind of annoyed even more now.
Yuck. That was disgusting.
I mean, if you look at the last two 15-minute candles, they're all wicks, very little bodies. You know that 15-minute bearish money zone never flipped too. You know, it might flip going into this new 4 hour though.
Okay, let's see. In about 20 seconds or so, we have a news plus a new 4 hour. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Give it a couple seconds.
Let's check out the news report, the numbers. Oh shit, any home sales is down. On a penny home sales is down, but new home sales is up though. That's confusing. Extremely confusing. Wasn't new home sales? Hold on, you guys. I'm about to do someone. Hold on. Yeah, Monday we had new home sales on Monday, and new home sales were up. They were up above forecast and previous. But today, penny home sales is down, way down from forecast and previous. All right, let me do some research on that real quick.
TPO's turned off too. Boo. And just wait.
Yeah, right here, VWAP right here at 650. 650 as well too. So it's nothing for me to do here other than just wait. Oh yeah, I'm flat. I'm flat. I'm taking it. I'm flat. I should have taken a short off that news that I read. I didn't trust it. Yeah. The market did not like the pending home sales data at all.
Oof.
Yeah.
It definitely did not.
But at the same time, I mean, this doesn't mean that the Bulls are just done. Like look where we could potentially bottom out right here. So let's see what happens. Golly. Previous daily close right here at 560. Let's see what happens here. Ooh.
25. I'm still gonna like the longs here. I'm sorry. Just gonna wait for the timing to match up. Okay, let's see here. What do we got going on?
Oh, buyers look like you want to step in there. Let's see what happens. Let's see if they can. Nope. Got fake. They got pumped out. All right. Likey.
Red.
You see what we're playing with, right, Mo?
Mm-hmm.
Or what we can't seem to fit back into.
That's a bullish sign to me.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very bullish sign to me.
And the question is what's the sizing going to be down here at the super cheaper area? Kind of wanted to break down a little bit more on this one.
I'll wait a little bit. It's only been almost 10 minutes in the new 4 hours, so give it another 5 or so. All right. Let me see how I can do this.
I got one more trade in me today. One more trade left.
Here. Now I just want to make sure there's no personal information in this. Let me just do this.
Oh damn.
Copy this.
You see what we need to get back into, right? At that 610 level.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I
That's
see it. It's right at my area, so I'm just waiting for my timing to match. I'm just waiting for the timing to match, and I'm gonna get in. Why am I getting in? Because this is right by my game plan, so I'm just playing my game plan. One. Can't go that way, so I gotta go this way. And I am in. Let's see if I can get TP1. I'll let it fight around here. TPO's turned off, which is a good sign. Let's see if I'm right or not. Nope, not on that one. Wasn't ready. Click back. Okay. One more trade for today.
I'm about to take one with you soon. Hold on, Mom. Don't leave without me, Mom. Let's see. I'm going to my Apex accounts. I'm gonna copy trade these funded accounts I have. I have 2 more trading days until I get my next pay on the Apex. So you all wish me luck, man, because Apex is one of the hardest companies. NVIDIA call options. My buddy said 150 December, January 26th strike. Let me look at that.
Nothing yet. Nothing happened yet.
All right, I just tried a long here. Okay, I am heavy, so I just took a trim there. All right. I'm taking another trim because I only need to make $500 with $300 with $200 for the counter trading day. So I've made the money I need. My stop loss is at an area that if I get stopped out, I will still be at the 250 for the day. I do have 5 minis left on the table here.
Not ready just yet. Okay.
Flat. All right, well that's like a 300 on the J here. Oh, hold up, it's freezing. Why is it freezing? Why is my computer freezing? I can't close the position out. Oh shit. Well, that does suck because I'm in long and I can't close the position out.
All right. So while we are waiting for, let me just make this a
For
little bit
Apex to give me control of my account again.
bigger. For that, I just want to give a shout out to one of our members. Um, I'm not gonna say your Discord name here, just for privacy reasons, but I do just want to shout out one of our members right here. This person got their payout of $1,400. I think it was yesterday. The first payout was 2,000, and just you can see here, um, kudos to you because you definitely have been putting the work in, sending in your trades, listening and working on your craft. This is a payout well deserved. So we just want to say from the community, congratulations and on your payout, and hope this is the first of many, many, many more. Okay, we're back. And we are heading down. It's broken.
I'm just happy that I'm screen recording right now, and I've been screen recording all morning. I'm so glad because I'm screen recording this and sending this to Apex. This is the third time in the past 2 months this has happened to me. The first two times they set my account back to break even on the day.
TPOs are now red.
Oh my god, not a good feeling.
RV's at 22. We have broken my level area, so that's about all she wrote for the longs for me. You see South's comment?
I'm ignoring it. I'm ignoring it because I'm freaking out right now. The first, like the last two times this happened. If you saw how how drunk I got those days, because I was like, no, my 600 accounts are gone. So, and it's like this is why I don't trade Apex every day. Like,
Mm-hmm.
whatever. I don't give a fuck. Definitely care less. I just did something crazy. I did something really crazy. just did something. Okay. For some reason I can add, but I can't sell.
Hmm.
Okay, well I am up. Oh my god. I'm up, but I can't. Oh, it's my copy trader. So I can so I have to individually close out each account. All right, I'm done for the day. I'm individually closing out each Apex account. I'm gonna keep. Yeah, I'm just closing all of them. I'm done. Well, I'm not getting a payout because I just blew past my consistency rule and my sizing rule. That sucks. Apex. To blockchain education manager, I do trade Top Step. I traded Top Step today, and I was done. I didn't want to take any more trades or risk on that account. That's why I went to Apex because I still have my 600 accounts on there, and I was 2 days away from getting a payout. Let's see what they say about by me blowing past the consistency rule though. Because Apex, they have like a sizing, like like you have to be consistent with your size, consistent with your profits, consistent with your losses. There's too much consistency rules. But but who is blockchain education manager? Who's that?
All right, let's see. Anything? Anything good?
So pretty much what I did to, I guess, try to save the account was I took longs off the previous daily open, and then I added another set of longs at this 578 level. It's a weekly level for me. I mean 540, yeah, 548. So I was in 25 minis at one point in time.
Phew, it's just
But I
crazy
mean,
just to hear.
I was in 5 minis on that drop, and I was down like what $3,000 or $4,000,
Mm-hmm.
and I told myself it's like either they're gonna restore my account back to break even for the day, or I'm gonna lose them. So let me just try something. And tried it and saved the account, I guess. But yeah, to blockchain, but to blockchain manager, you are right. This is why you do not trade Apex, and you just stay on Top Step of my funding futures. Yeah, I'm using Top Step X. I like it because of the lockout features, but I hate it because of the fills. But I mean, we can't have a perfect world, especially when we're trading with other people's money. Like something has to give. I'm going to give the market about 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm going to call it a day. I want us to see if we could, I want to see how low we can go. The lowest I want us to go right now is the previous daily close. That's 523 right here. Actually, I lied. Let's go down to 500. 500 is the lowest area, and when we're at 500, I'm gonna give it about 10 of 15 points up or down before I look to enter again. Like longs can work anywhere from 560 to 500. Lower. If you want to look higher, you can start potentially buying here, building your position very small though, because everything is against us. I'm just looking left right now, looking at past sessions and past days, and I like this level right here. I'm actually gonna hold off a little bit. I want to give it a little bit more room up. I'm not gonna buy until we get back into the 610s or 600s.
Oh, we are dropping.
Yeah.
Oh,
So yeah,
yeah.
that's what I'm waiting a little bit. I want us to drop though. This is a good drop though. This is good. This is good. The 500 area is where I want to buy. Like, give or take 20 points. 480 is my last mark. If we close below 480, I'm done for the day, regardless whatever happens. Hey, buddy, you want to sit for me? Can you sit? Can you sit for me? Oh, hold on, my dog is bullying me right now. Oh. Hey Mo, pretty much if I see buyers come in on a 15 or 30-second chart with the evidence lines turning green, I'm going to be looking long. Hold on.
Oh, wow.
All right, I'm back. No buyers yet. All sellers. No buyers whatsoever. Oh, let's see if the evidence lines can turn green here. Right off that monthly level of 514 and 500. Oh, that was. If I didn't take my dog out, I would have pulled the trigger. All right. If the evidence lines turn green, I will be going in. I kind of want to build a position now, like 5 micros now. See what happens. I'm doing it. I'm building my position 5 micros here. I'm gonna give this stop at least 50 points. I'm willing to risk. Actually, I'm gonna give it 50 points. I'm willing to risk $500. Once I get my confirmation, I will go in with minis. with the entry here, my stop is going to be at that 480 area that I talked about. And since I'm on micros, it's not going to be a hard stop. It's going to be more of like a mental, emotional stop, depending on if I think we can recover. But the reason why I went so small in this area compared to how I normally trade, everything's against us. You know,
Mm-hmm.
okay. I'm going to trim a mini here because I did add a mini. I did add my minis like I said I was going to do. Okay, moving my stops up. I'm using the minis as a scalp, moving the stops up, moving the stops up. 30-point scalp right there. Entry was 536 on the minis. Oh my god, let's go. I'm literally trailing my stops. I got 3 minis left. I'm trailing those individually. The 5 micros are up $300 right now, $350 right now on the micros. I still have those micros running. I'm not going to trim those at all. 2 minis left on the table here. One is right below the previous daily right below the previous daily open, and one is 10 points above break even. Mind you, this is a scalp for me. This is a scalp for me. So, usually when I scalp, my trim's at, like my trim comes at 10 points, 10 points, and then everything else is just extra. I have 1 mini left and 5 micros left. That 1 mini is up $400, 450. I now have my stop for my micros in profit now. It's just 5 points. 5 points. I'm 6 points in profit. Entry is at 534 on those micros. Entries on the minis at 536. And my stop loss on the micros is at 540. My stop loss on that one mini that I have left is at 547 weekly level. The reason why my stop loss is 540 is this is the bottom of this current 5 minute candle right here for the micros. All right, I'm moving my stop up a little bit on the minis. This is a scalp. I'm at the previous daily open right here. Okay, $700 on that. But again, everything everything is still against us. We have red candles, red backgrounds. I mean, I'm a perma bull. Hello. Yes, yes.
All right, we got a Gabby buy button there.
How long was I muted for? Since the phone call or before that?
Yeah, just when the phone call came in. I
Okay.
didn't want to.
So I'm still in that one mini. We're up 50 points right here. I'm gonna move my stop loss. My stop loss up to I'm just gonna trail it, bro. I'm gonna break up these micros now. Actually, since I have since I'm in, yeah, I'm breaking up these micros. Let's do like 2 up here at the previous daily open. Let's do 2. Let's take off 2 right now, and then let's leave 1 at break even. Oh no, let's leave 1 at that 540 area at the bottom of that previous 5-minute candle. I might be stopped out of my mini soon. Let me see. Damn, that was a good trade on the minis. Had I held all 5 of them, that would have been $5,000. Damn. All right, 3 micros left on the table. And this is my last trade of the day. After this, I am completely done. All right, so since I'm in these micros, I don't really care what happens. Honestly, that trade was the minis, and that's what I really wanted. And like I take trades like I take trades like this a lot, where it's like I build into a position, and I kind of learned this from one of our users, South. But also, I used to do this on MetaTrader, but I didn't know how to do it on CMEs. So MetaTrader, that's the CFD accounts. I didn't know how to do it on CMEs, and what I've been doing is I would first take micros, 5 to 10 micros, just to kind of see what I can see, and if I see the confirmation, I'm going to take 1 to 5 minis as a scalp. And usually on those scalps, I'm looking for 10, 20 points. Anything after that is just extra. It's just bonuses, Talk to us, Mo. What you saying, man? Are you long with me, Mo?
Definitely shorts. No, I'm not. Not right now,
No.
because it broke my level, and it's too expensive to short. And we
Yes.
have, if I'm looking at, if I'm reading it right, so TPO IVDs red, right?
Yeah.
Strict clicked off. However, we do have a 1 minute money zone right above where price action is right now. Uh, there's no order to orders. There is none. We have a bearish session control, which we can clearly see. Price action right now is considered a reversal. So, and I haven't seen one setup for a short since a clean setup. I'll put it this way: a clean setup since the start of the new 4 hour.
I'm going to disagree with you there. The cleanest setup for the shorts was a failure for us to stay inside the cheap box on both auto and small. Now you would have needed to have a massive stop loss on it. In order to say that, because we did have bearish money zones, we had red evidence lines, we had a red surge, red straight into direction, a red scope, and red strict. So it's like all those bearish statements are could have helped you guided your shorts. But you would have had to have a big stop loss. Like your entry could have been at maybe, I'm looking at 600, 610, and your stop loss would have had to been right above 638 or right at 638.
Yeah, I for my setup I didn't see it. So
Yeah.
Look back here. Maybe the other.
No, I saw it as a scout. I just
yeah, you know what? On the 32nd, you could see the opportunities.
Yeah, and for me, it's
Okay.
like, kind of what I said to everybody on live, and is I have two charts up that I focus on. I have my analysis chart and my trigger chart. At the first 30 minutes of the day, my analysis chart is on the 1 minute. My trigger chart is on a 15-second. Once a new hour starts, my analysis chart changes to a 5 minute. Trigger chart change to a 30-second or 1 minute chart. I've been on 30 seconds since the new 4 hour has opened up. That's why I was able to see that. That's just something I've been testing these past couple of months, and I actually like that that strategy of changing the time frame on my chart based off the time of day in the market. Hold on. I'm gonna go on mute for a second. I'm gonna make a phone call. Give me a second. I still have that one micro running, by the way. It's only one micro. I'm only up on that one micro set $70. Yeah, I'm sorry, $80. I'm gonna leave that one micro for the day. So I'm gonna just get stopped out on it. I'm gonna try to play an Adam approach on that one.
All right, so just a little. I'll do a recap. Let me just take this off. I'm gonna start from higher time frame and then work my way down. So on the 15 minute, you can see here. Just put this in frame. This is how our 15 minute has been. I just want to show you how nicely the what is this called? The market structure is really working for us today. So you see here we had resistant boxes here based on market structure. We had an opportunity to break it, but however, it failed, and then we've been heading down ever since. You can see here it still has the 15-minute money zone that never broke. So the shorts were the play from, I would say, just after open to about now. Let's see if this, yeah, so this is a new structure low and a lower low, so we could see price come up a bit before it comes, before it comes back down, if it doesn't break this box. If we go to the 1 minute, you can see here you had a red prove it here, you had a Gabby button here, and this was around the 9:45 area. If you would have seen on the 15 minute, that's this candle here, and it's been in a downward movement for now. However, we are by the super cheap box, so this is not a surprise you're seeing price push back up. If we look at the 30-second, this is what I failed to look at today if I want to get in the short. You can see there was opportunity. This is the one from before. This was, I'm really kicking myself. I should have this chart up next to me, next to my 1 minute. Because if you look at the difference between here and here it was later, obviously, because it's 1 minute. 30-second could have been in on time, and then just follow this down. I gotta figure that out for the YouTube, how to get two charts up at the same time so it can help my trading. And then you can also see side by side what 30-second and 1 minute looks like. Let me see what the 30-second, let's look at the 30-second for now. You can see how we're failing to get into the cheap box. Price is coming down. Here she goes again. Getting back to the price is just diving. I'll leave that here. This is a 30-second.
Hey Mo, I know you took the
Yeah.
shorts, right?
I took one short, yeah.
Yeah,
Scalp.
I knew it. I'm flat on the micros. I'm flat on the micros. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I told I mean, I told you that 500 was the area that I wanted to go long. If we break down, 580 is last area that I'll be looking. We're like 15 points away from 580, but I mean it's bearish. Everything is bearish, and we have big tech earnings this afternoon. So it's kind of like just sit back and be patient for tomorrow. Not you. I'm talking about for everybody else.
Yeah.
Because you know what you're doing. And if anybody wants to know why I went long at that area, I'm gonna just say one thing: mentorship. But then also, you can also look at your daily opens and your daily closes. For me, it's I'm a high time frame trader. As in, I look at the monthly, weeklies, and daily levels for for all my levels and pivots. That We had a daily close at 523, and that's when I started to look to build into my position. That 580 did get tested. Like we did just touch it, but again, it's like everything is red, so it's like for me to want to go long here again, I just it it goes against everything that I believe, man. We're right here at a New York high from January 16th. That New York high is at 497.
Wait.
And Mo, go look at what happened on January 17th, Friday, at this level as well too.
Just put this on January 17th.
Yes, sir.
Let's see. 17th is. Oh yeah. Actually, my lower day is by there.
Okay. Yeah.
My
So
low,
we're seeing the same
yeah,
thing there. We're seeing the same thing.
yeah.
That's
My
and,
lower
and
day
that's kind of
is.
why I said that 480 was going to be my last, like the last area of resistance.
Hmm,
That
yeah.
480.
I have a zone around 400, and we're heading right for it.
Yeah, like I got that the 370s. For me, it's like I'm kind of pissed because it's like we literally were making our way back to the weekly open, and we just can't seem to get back up
Yeah.
there.
And and we're looking at the market structure on the 15 minute, there's nothing in the way.
We're down.
Down, there's nothing in the way until uh yeah, until the level I have And let me see. Oh, and we have, yeah, about 425. There might be a little something there, but let's see. Let's see what happens. I took a 1 micro short here, like what I was scalped right here. Let me just put it on my chart. So
What level was that?
I took it here.
That was at. Let me guess. That was at 558. 550 area.
Yeah, yeah, like right here, right there. I took it there.
Okay.
As soon as I saw this on the surge, yeah, let me explain to everybody on video so this way it's even a record for myself. So once this on the surge clicked back, we never had a green border on the surge. You see how on the probability oscillator it was completely red and it clicked over then clicked back. Then you had the pullback right here. 1, 2, 3, red, 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 and then took a 1 micro trade, and now it's just running. I'm gonna leave this on. I'm probably gonna move my stop to just above this cheap area here, because if it gets out of that, that's fine.
It's funny because it's like the trade I took. Yes, it made more money, but the trade that Mo took is actually a better trade because he actually went with the trend, and he's going to get more points than I did on my little scalp that I took or my trades that I took. You know what I mean? And and again, he waited for his setup, and he got a way better trade than I did. My setup is a 20 to 50 point setup. That's typically how many points that I get on each trade. 20 to 50 points. Anything else is extra. Mo, how many points you up right now? About 100, right?
A little more.
You see? He waited for a setup and he got more than 100 points. I literally, his entry is pretty much where I, exited my mini scalp. So the 50 points I got on my mini, he's turned around and got 100 plus points on his short. Like, hey, I'm jealous, Mo. I'm jealous, man.
Well, I mean, I've been this is a good thing to talk about on the live, right? This past month I have not been trading. I'm gonna say this: I've had red days all this month, not P&L red days. I'm talking about trading process, right? The way I formulate green and red days is if I followed my process that day, regardless of P&L, I'm gonna vote it at either a green day or a red day. For the month of July, I'm saying it's been heavily on the red days, meaning not following my process. Why have I not followed my process? Because I haven't been patient enough to see where the direction is going to take the trade. So, I've hit 20, 30 point trades, but I haven't had a runner. Maybe I had 3 runners this month, and that's low for my average. So I went back to the basics. I looked through everything. I just made sure that I was very picky on my trades today, and I had to make sure that I saw the direction. And then I played it against my game plan too. So let me just put this back up so you guys can see it. Take this off. I can leave that on. That's fine. See, so I played it against my game plan. Let me actually take this off so it's easier to see. I was very focused on playing this. See how when it stalled, I took the long, and then it did not work. So I had to wait for it to break, to retest, then take. And now it's getting close to my low day. I'm expecting price to push back here, by the way. It's not I never expect anything just to totally fall within reason. And then now if I turn on some of the indicators to give even more context, you see how we tried to get through this 15-minute money zone on this 15-minute candle, and then it was just a huge wick. That means we had a lot. To me, that means that the bears jumped in and stayed in and then controlled it. And then since then, we've never hit back. And then if I take this off and put on the market structure, you can see we have, this is a resistance zone here, and it moved to here, and then after this area, so this is still a resistance zone. It never was able to get back above where that higher high was, and it just kept pushing down. And the reason why I said, hey, there's nothing really below us, this is the support zone based off of the market structure, is all the way down in the 300, between 3 and 200. Now that doesn't mean price is gonna stop there, and but it just gives you context of like, bulls may step in this area. They may not. They may start stepping in here for all we know. But this just gives you an idea of the context I'm seeing in the market. And then when I go back to my trigger chart, you can see in the 4-hour, hey, we're in the super cheap box. In order for this to break here, you would need some extreme news to push past this. I can see it possibly staying in here, making its way back up here, back and forth.
We have buyers stepping in here.
Yeah. So
right at that 480 mark that I called out, but I mean, I think Mo's gonna get his 200 points though. I think Mo's gonna get more than 100 points.
I don't know, to be honest with you, just because why am I saying that? Just because I think the bulls are really strong in this area. Because we would have to get to here.
Go look in NVIDIA. NVIDIA is about to test its previous daily low at 116. Go look at Apple. It's kind of sideways, no real direction. Google lost its footing from this morning. That high is back to the previous. Is back to yesterday's area high. Go look at Microsoft. It just took a dump. It couldn't even get back into yesterday's session. Go look at Meta today. And Amazon. Like my big tickers, my big 6 tickers that I focus on the most, they're down right now. Do I think Mo's gonna get his 200 points? For sure. I mean, I have a very high likelihood. I'm very confident that Mo could get 150 to 200 points on his trade right now. Especially playing where we at. It's 11 o'clock now. We do have a London close at 11:30. Let's see what happens between 11 and 12.
Yeah, well, my stop is at 500. So I think I'm gonna move it. Let me see where it's 500. It's here. Yeah. This is 520. No, I'm confident 500. Is it a 21 500? Yeah. Let me see. That's 40 points away. That's 2 ATRs. I like that. I keep that there. The ATRs keep going up. That's better for the shorts. Let's see what that looks like on the 30-second. Yeah, on the 30-second, yeah, so my stop is more in line with the 30-second time frame of 500. Let's just see how long this can run. stops running. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, where do I? Let me see. What's this? 425. You know, you can expect buyers to start stepping in because that's where they stepped in last time. Then again at 390. Oof. You know what I'm gonna do? Let's see. Where is it? Yeah, I'm gonna put my take profit at 390. And I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm gonna leave it at my stop loss at 500, take profit 390. And I'm actually Xing out of trade of 8. I'm gonna let that sucker run. I'm not even gonna look at it. Because there's no point. It's gonna.
If it's gonna run, it's
Emotionally,
gonna run. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
it's just gonna dance around here and do whatever. I was like, you know what?
Yeah, I'm about to. I think I'm about to go make me some breakfast and go to the gym.
Yeah. All right. So that's a. I think we're gonna wrap up today. It's 11:15. Another awesome trading day. A little, again with the recap, right? This is the higher time frame. I mean, market structure indicator totally was fire today. The money zones absolutely on fire. Here's the 1 minute. You can see since here in the open, we've been heading steadily down. However, there is no order, so it's not trending down. It's heading down, so just keep an eye on that. We could get a spike up at some point. And on the trigger chart on 30-second that I failed to use today, but we had a entry here. You had an entry here. You had an entry here. You had another entry point. I would say here. This one was better. So that was 1, 2. Actually, 1, 2, 3. If you didn't like that one, you could do that one. I'll put it here. That could be 3. And then 4. If you went long, you had some nice opportunities in the beginning of the day. You could have gotten in, let's see, right here, this one. This one was a great long opportunity here. And then also, if you missed a short, that was a nice long opportunity there. That was a nice one, actually. It's a real nice one. And then, where else? It had some scalps along the way. Scalp here. Another scalp here. More risky, but another scalp there. But now, looks like today was the day of the short. Let's see, how many trades did I take today? Where are my trades? Okay, good. So I had one failed long in the morning, one long that worked here. Oh, it's not there now. One long worked here. Oh no, here it is. Let me take some of this stuff out. I got too much stuff in the way. Yeah, let me just leave that. So never mind with that one. So I had one failed short, one. Oh, sorry. I took two longs here. This one worked. I got TP and I was able to catch this move. And then, where was my other short at? There. Where was this? 570. Okay. 70. Yeah, right here. Huh. Here, this one worked. Then I know I did another trade. Right here. I tried this one. At the button, I scalped that one, but I put it as a loss. Putting it as a loss because it was alright, but too much. So I did 1, 2, 3 longs before I finally switched my bias. I'll take that. That's fine. Should have been better. Should have really seen it more here. But always room for improvement. All right, everybody. Well, that was trading for today. I'll let you know tomorrow how this trade did, if it actually hit it or took me out. Till then, Cloud, thank you. I will see you
Tomorrow.
actually tomorrow. Yep.
Hopefully tomorrow we can get another 100-point trade like we did at Open, and you know, let's call it a quick easy day tomorrow. Hopefully.
All right, everybody. Thank you for watching, and I see everybody tomorrow. Take care. Bye.
Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light.